taken for granted. I've been taken a fool. I once was taken to hell. I got left there to die, then I found my way through. Now I'm here in a dark room, me and my latest disease. It seems like tragedy keeps trying to find me, and if it ever does, it won't find me down on my knees. This isn't winter or summer here. This ain't coincidence or fate. This is a world in between, where your guts and your dreams all get torn out and served up to fate. You wanna talk about courage, you wanna talk about fear. I no longer